Hey guys, FL Sonance here, back with another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make this tropical Kygo style pluck. So the final result will sound like this. So now let's dive into the presets. First we have this folk chop, sample from the acapella. You have the pluck sounds and bassline. So if you want more tropical pop presets like this, make sure to check Future Pop Volume 1. In the first pack you'll find all the presets you need to make this Kygo kind of style tropical house. So now let's dive into the sound design of the Pluck. Sounding like this. So select the preset. We're gonna go for square wave, put up an octave, and shape the filter like this. We're gonna use low 12, saw wave for oscillator and then shape the envelope. It's a plucky sound, so no sustain, and a short decay time. As you can hear, this will already bring out the pluck sound of it. Then we're gonna add some release and route envelope 1 to the cutoff. We're gonna open it till around here, add some drive and fatness. Then we're gonna dive into effects. No hyper and a little bit of dimension, just to give the pluck more space. It's clipping a little bit, so lower than the master volume. Then EQ the sound. We're gonna give the low cut because we're gonna add a bassline later. We're gonna boost the highs a little bit with envelope 1 to the gain, just to make it sound a bit more plucky. Then we're gonna add a chorus effect, sounding like this. Some compression to bring out the pluck sound a bit more. So shape it like this. Add some more gain. And then to finish it off, we're gonna add some reverb and delay. Quite a lot actually. So add a low cut to the reverb. Some more decay. Sounding like this. So that's it for Pluck. Now let's make bassline. It's quite a simple sound, so let's make it from scratch. Go over the square wave, lower down an octave, saw wave for oscillator, enable the filter low 18, add some drive, fatness, and shape envelope 1. A little bit of sustain, some decay, and route to the cutoff. As you can hear, it's a really rolling bassline, so let's shape it a bit more with a dimension, some distortion. Quite a lot actually, with a high cut on it. And then to bring out the sound a little bit more, we're gonna compress it. Just something like this. So altogether the sounds sound like this. And that's it for the video. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more, and the subscribe button, and I'll see you all in the next videos.